take out your calculators and tell me the multiplication of 89 into 97. You will take at least 5 seconds to do it with the help of a calculator. But in this video, I will teach you a short multiplication trick which will help you to multiply any two numbers near to 100 in just 5 seconds without the calculator. So I will just write few numbers here and I have got my answer. 8633. You can check it with the help of a calculator. So if you want to learn this, then watch this video till the end. So first, let's start with numbers larger than 100. So here we have two numbers 103 and 106. We have to find their multiplication. So for this, we have to follow few simple steps. So in step 1, you have to see that how much greater these numbers are from 100. So 100 will be the base for all our calculations. And taking 100 as base, we will check that how much greater both of these numbers are. So we know that 103 is 3 more than 100. So we will write plus 3. And 106 is 6 more than 100. So we will write plus 6. Now in step 2, we will do cross addition. So either we will add both of these numbers or either we will add both of these numbers. So either we will do 103 plus 6 or 106 plus 3. And both of these will give us 109. So this is our step 2. Now in step 3 what you have to do is that we have to multiply both of these numbers. So 3 into 6 is 18. Now just put this answer behind this number and you will get your final answer. So 103 into 106 is 10918. So you can see that this was very easy. You just have to first check that how much greater the numbers are from 100, then do cross addition and then just add any two numbers and write it here and then multiply both of these numbers and you will get your answer. So as I told you that you can multiply any two numbers near to 100 using this trick. So let's take another number. This time we have to multiply 112 by 102. So just step 1, just write, taking 100 as base, just write that how much these numbers are bigger than 100. So 112 is 12 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. Now do cross addition and take any pair and add them. So I am taking 112 plus 2 and that is 140. Now just multiply both of these numbers. So 12 into 2 is 24. So this is your answer 11424. Similarly, we can multiply any other number greater than 100 such as 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 and so on. So now let's see that what will we do when the numbers are lesser than 100. So here I have taken two numbers smaller than 100, 89 and 97. So the trick will remain the same but just there will be a small change. So again you have to take 100 as base and now see that how much these numbers are smaller than 100. So you know that 89 is 11 smaller than 100. So we will write minus 11. And 97 is 3 smaller than 100. So we will write minus 3. Now in the first trick what we were doing doing cross addition. But here you have to do cross subtraction. So just take any pair and subtract the both. So either do 89 minus 3, that is also 86, or do 97 minus 11, that is also 86. So now you just have to multiply both of these numbers and put the product in the end. So 11 into 3 is 33. So we will write it in the end. Now this is our answer 8633. So similarly, we can do the multiplication of any two numbers smaller than 100. But the condition is that they must be near to 100. So here we have two numbers 96 and 98 and let's do them multiply. So 96 is 100 minus 4 and 98 is 100 minus 2. So here I have written minus 4 and minus 2. Now just you have to do cross subtraction. So 96 minus 2 is also 94 and 98 minus 4 is also 94. Now you just have to write the product. So 4 into 2 is 8. But one important thing to note here is that we have got a single digit answer. So when this happens, then we will add a 0 in front of this, because whenever we in the answer we write it, we have to take 2 digits. So if we have got a single digit answer, so we will add a 0 in front of it. So your answer will be 9408. So now let's see that how we will do the multiplication of numbers when they are not near 200, but they are near to 200, 300, 400 or some other 100. So for this, all the steps will remain the same, but just one step will be added extra. So the step 1 will remain same, but this time you just have to take base as 200. So if we are multiplying two numbers like 202 into 205, then the base we will take as 200. And we will check that how much greater or smaller these numbers are from 200. So 202 is plus 2 and 205 is plus 5. So just take cross addition. Now 202 plus 5 is also 207 and 205 plus 2 is also 207. Now you just have to, now one extra step is added. So here the extra step is that you have to multiply this answer by 2. So in the 100 case, we were directly taking this number and then following the step number 3. But this time, one more addition is there that we have to multiply it by 2. So now the answer will become 440. And after this, you will follow the same step, that is, you will multiply both of these numbers and add the product in the end. So 2 into 5 is 10. So your answer will become 41410. So now similarly, we can do for 300, 400, 500, etc. But just in the case of 200, we were multiplying the number by 2. In the case of 300, we will be multiplying by 3. In the case of 400, we will multiply it by 4. And in the case of 500, we will multiply it by 5 and so on. So this will continue. So here we have two numbers 315 and 301, and now we have to multiply them. So this time what will be the base? It will be 300. So just check that how much greater these numbers are from 300. So 315 is plus 15 and 301 is plus 1. Now just do cross addition. So this will become 316 in both the cases. 315 plus 1 is 316. 301 plus 15 is also 316. Now you just have to multiply it by 3, because as I have told you before that in the 200 case we multiplied by 2 and in 300 case we multiplied by 3. So now 316 into 3 is 948, and now you have to do multiplication of both these numbers and write it behind. So 15 into 1 is 50. So your final answer becomes 94815. So with this, we come to the end of this trick. Here I have few practice questions for you all. You have to find the answers of these questions using the trick and give the answers in comment box. Whoever gives all the answers correct, he will be given special appreciation by our team. So we shall be coming up with many more new tricks based on multiplication. So keep liking, subscribing and sharing.